kung nakita nyo to, 500 yung loan amount natin for the construction of the City Hall, tapos makikita mo ang amount ng 316. O saan nyo dadalhin yung 200? Yes, City. Kasama ka ba sa bid, sa back? Ikaw pala, ikaw chairman, sige, attorney.
Ako po ang chairman. When we bidded, ang ABC po namin is 500,000. 500 million. Nung i-open na namin yung financial envelope, the second envelope, yung BOQ na tinatawag, Bill of Quantities, nakalagay doon yung total nila. Meron kasi mga breakdown yun eh. Ang total po is, the total bid is 499,950,977.80. Ito po yung nakalagay din sa notice of award nila na your bid has been found to be below our ABC po.
So yan ang nakita nyo na sinabit ng, anong pangalan ng contractor?
Silver Dragon. Ito
Silver,
po yung talagang bid niya.
So yan ang inopen nyo, yan ang binuksan nyo, yan ang nakita nyo.
Yes po.
Okay.
Yan yung
Alright.
talagang bid niya.
Okay. So ngayon, ito naman ang sinabit ng contractor doon sa OBO. Ano nangyayari dito? Ganun kasimple.
Yes,
So
maybe.
niloloko kayo ng contractor nyo.
Opo, siguro baka may basis din po
Kasi
yun.
nagsubmit siya ng bill of material. Bakit mo naman pinirmahan, Architect Goson? Kung nakita mo, yung sinasabi ni Attorney Jarder na almost 499, yung bidded amount, then why did you sign this? Did you not compare this to that one that you hold in the winning bidder? Di ba? Kasi hawak nyo na yan eh. So sinasabi nyo 499, hindi nagmamatch sa hawak nyo rito na sinabit sa iyo for your signature. And at the same time, this was also presented to the OBO. This was presented to you. And
Yes po, Your Honor.
ngayon, hindi pumirma ka, hindi. Nag-complain ka na rito, ganun ba?
Gin-accept ko na muna, pero yung mga plan nila, pinabalik ko sa kanila. At saka nakita ko nga na ang estimate nila is ganyan lang.
Kaya nga, so may problem tayo doon. Why did you sign this, city planning, Architect Guson, knowingly, planning ka eh. Di ba? Makikita mo yung structure eh. Di ba? Tama ba to? Tumama ba to doon sa winning price? Di ba? Layo eh. Nawawala ng 180 eh. So anong mo doon? Anong wisdom mo? Why did you sign this?
Your Honor, it was I admit that I mislooked the portion of the computation.
You misquote the 182.
Na-mislook ko, Your Honor.
Attorney, Architect Guson, we're talking about 180 million.
Na-mislook ko, Your Honors. Bale, I will have to consult the one who computed that amount in the office. Pero it doesn't prevent us from further
Anyway.
requesting the contractor.
Anyway, ako hindi ako magkakamali. Alam ko yung project 500 million tapos ang pipirmahan ko is 316 million. Mag-iisip na ako. Architect. Bakit ganito? 'Di ba? Isipin mo na bakit 316 million ang pipirmahan ko samantalang ang winning bid price is 500 million, almost 500 million. So hindi ka naman nagduda doon? Hindi mo ba tinanong kay Mayor to? Hindi mo kinausap si Mayor? Mayor, bakit ganito to? Bakit ng mga bill of materials sumabot lamang ng almost 307 million? Eh baka maging substandard yung gagawin natin, baka biglang bumaksak yung City Hall. Hindi ka ba nagkonsulta sa Mayor?
Your Honor, it was a mistake on my part not to take a double.
But did you consult the Mayor about
No,
this?
because it is the responsibility of the office, Your Honor.
So hindi mo konsulta si Mayor?
Vocational clearance.
Mayor, meron ka responsibilidad dito. Hindi mo alam na ganito ang sinabmit sa planning officer mo? Without your knowledge that there is a missing 180 million for the construction of the 500 million City Hall?
Hindi ko yun alam, Your Honor. Ang alam ko lang dito, ang 499 million, Your Honor.
Pakilakas po, Mayor, hindi po namin madinig. Ano po, sir?
Hindi ko yun alam, Your Honor. Ang alam ko lang dito, ang 499 million lang, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, ay medyo nanlalambot ako eh. Pwede pakisalo na lang ako, Mayor. Chairman, thank you.
Eh, saan sikit? Wala na. You have other issues,
Mr. Chairman, as I've said, we will only have our hearing until 3 p.m. and it's now 30 minutes after 3 p.m., almost 30 minutes pala. So anyway, this is just a preliminary hearing for an investigation, Mr. Chairman, in regards to the issues being tackled based on the privilege speech I delivered last 3 weeks ago. So it is, with that, Mr. Chairman, once again, I would like to remind everyone, all those resource person being required to submit all those documents. Please submit before the committee hearing on the next scheduled hearing. Now, we have not yet asked thoroughly and I know some of the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Silay with regards to the issue that was discussed by Chairman Dan Fernandez dun sa OBO po. And Engineer Ken, please be present on the next hearing. Hindi pa tayo tapos. No? And to the Land Bank, please submit all the documents being required to you. Yun yung sa DBP pa. No? And please, kindly, lang po, may exigency lang, kindly ask your principal, especially legal with regards to this. Para hindi po lumala. Kita niyo naman, ini-implement na yung project, wala
Yes,
pang
sir.
OBO clearance. Tapos ihabol na lang. Tapos we found out that instead of the 499 million that was the bidded amount, dito sa OBO, is only 316 million. So may problema po. That's why it's better for you to have the due diligence with regards to the next chance.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor, we will do that. But by the way, Your Honor, I would like to be clarified, if we will be allowed to send electronic copy of the documents you've sent, not the hard copy.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Thank
I'll
you.
just go through it to the COMSEC.
Okay, thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
Yes, Mayor.
I will order for the competition of that present papers, Your Honor.
Recommendation. Pag-aralan nyo. Anyway, that's your commitment, Mayor, no? To have it recomputed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. But of course, the damage have been done. And OBO, so you allow now for them to submit the documents, no? Sabi mo kanina.
Your Honor, pardon please.
You allow them to submit all those required documents while construction is ongoing.
Kasi nga po, Your Honor, nag-commence na sila ng construction by 2 months na. Then, inisyuhan ko po ng notice of violation. Saka pa lang sila nag-submit ng mga papilis nila sa opisina.
Anyway, may notice of violation.
Ah,
Diba? Tama? So, anyway, we'll discuss that in the next hearing na lang po, no? Mayor, please take note of that, na may notice of violation. While may notice of violation, all they have to do, the contractor have to do is just to pay. Diba? Babayad lang yan. But the question is, why allow him, no, to operate within 2 months na without the compliance of all those documents being required by the OBO? And for the COA na lang po, last na lang for the COA. COA, please, kindly check, no? Baka pasok na naman to sa regular audit nyo. Kindly submit to this committee the latest No, audit report with regards to this. Wala ba kayong AUM?
Wala pa po, Mr. Chairman.
Wala kayong 2023? Kasi the project started 2023.
Wala pa. Review po is still ongoing with regards to this transaction.
Oh, again, please prepare. Kasi yung ongoing na yan, may problema tayo lagi dyan.
Yes po. Yes po, Mr.
Ah.
Chair.
So kindly prepare na lang po. Kasi in the next hearing, you have to present to us the initial audit report with regards to that particular project. Kasi 2024 na ngayon. And the project started 2023 ata. The approval of the loan started 2023.
Yes.
Kindly check. Kung wala kayong audit report with regards to that 2023, may problema kayo.
Okay.
Kasi year-end dapat yan. Tama?
Noted po. Noted
Oh,
po.
kindly prepare and submit to this committee
Yes po.
that audit report kung mayroon man. Okay?
Yes po.
And now, it's going to be 1 month from now, December. For 2024 na yan. Tama?
The audit of CY 2024 transactions po will commence next year. Ay, this moment po. Kasi we just concluded po.
I know. Ang max yan lagi dyan, ibibigyan kayo hanggang February. Di ba?
Yes po.
But of course, the 2023 co-audit report shouldn't be finished.
Yes po.
Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. So please prepare na lang po. Para I will not move as of now for a fraud audit report because we have to substantiate your report. But if this representation find out and this committee find out na may problema kayo, I will recommend for a fraud audit report just like what we're doing in all other investigation that we have done in this committee.
Okay.
Please prepare na lang po.
Yes
Thank
po,
you,
Mr.
Chairman.
Chair.
Thank you, Chairman. And before I hear the favorite motion of any committee in this House of Representatives, may I just correct something? Attorney, I said a while ago that your rules, internal rules, do not comply with the local government code. Tama?
Ano pong rules po? Anong rules?
Yung kasi nasa internal rules nyo, pina-research ko po sa legal staff ko eh. Your internal rules say that the vice mayor or the presiding officer shall not be allowed to vote. Except pala, may exception sa tie. Tama? Yun yung issue na
Opo.
pila natin kanina eh.
Yung internal,
And my legal staff told me, sir, mali ka. Kasi nagko-comply yung kanilang internal rules sa local government code because according to her, Section 49 is very explicit. Nagkamali lang siguro ako dahil dun sa kaso ni Javier versus Cadiao that the vice mayor is not included in the determination of or computing the majority vote of members of the Sanggunian.
opo.
Yun po yung
In
mali doon.
determining, opo.
So, mali po yung hindi nag-comply, nagko-comply po. Yung internal rules kasi pinahanap ko sa aking legal staff.
Opo. In determining quorum po, the vice mayor is included
It's not
in the count.
included.
Included po.
No. In Javier versus Cadiao, doon nga ako nalito eh. The court said that for matters of computing the majority vote of members of the Sangguniang Pangsod, the vice mayor is not included. But it is very explicit in the local government code, section 49. Yun ang sinabi ng aking legal staff that the presiding officer shall vote only to break a tie. That is why I'm correcting myself na yung inyong internal rules ay tama po dahil nakalagay po doon na the vice mayor shall not be allowed to vote except
The break at
when there's a tie.
Yeah.
Yun po yung correction na gusto kong
Opo.
sabihin. My mistake, attorney. Okay? I hope everything is clear. So From the members, any other issue?
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, tama po yung ano mo kanina, yung cleaner mo lang. But of course, there are still questions of ruling, no, with regards to local government, especially the IRR, in relation to how will the presiding officer vote, no, to during division of the House, Mr. Chairman. Kasi there are also special cases that the presiding officer, based on cases, should not vote. But anyway, that will be a debate, no, in the next hearing. And please, the LG, take note on that. The issue that was raised by Chairman Akop, no, in the next hearing. Dapat nandito ka para at least. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
From the resource persons, anybody who would wish to say his piece before I hear my favorite motion? Wala na po? Wala na. So,
Move to adjourn.
no. Move to, hindi pa tayo mag-adjourn.
To suspend.
Yes.
Yeah, move to suspend.
Second, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. The hearing is now suspended. Marami pong salamat sa inyo lahat.